Hi, are you Leo?
Yes, are you Mia?
Yes, that is me.
It is nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you too.
Did you wait long today?
No, I just arrived here.
Good. The weather is nice.
Yes, the sun is warm.
Did you find parking easily?
Yes, right across the street.
This cafe is very cute.
I love the green plants.
Should we sit by window?
Yes, that table looks perfect.
Please, have a seat here.
Thank you. You are kind.
I am a bit nervous.
Me too, just a little.
First dates are always funny.
Yes, but I am excited.
You look very nice today.
Thank you. I like your shirt.
Thanks. Blue is my favorite.
It matches your eyes well.
You are making me smile.
Smiling is a good start.
Yes, the music is soft.
It is easy to talk.
It is not too loud.
Exactly. I hate loud places.
Me too. I like quiet.
We have that in common.
That is a great start.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, let us look now.
The paper menu is here.
Perfect. Let us read it.
I am very thirsty today.
I will buy you coffee.
The coffee smells very good.
What will you drink today?
I want a hot latte.
Do you take sugar in it?
No, I drink it plain.
I will order black coffee.
Do you want a snack?
Yes, I am slightly hungry.
They have fresh chocolate cake.
That sounds very delicious now.
I will get a muffin.
Blueberry or sweet banana muffin?
Blueberry is my favorite flavor.
The waiter is coming here.
You can order for us.
Hello, 1 latte, 1 coffee.
And the cake and muffin.
Yes, please bring them soon.
Thank you for paying, Leo.
It is my pleasure, Mia.
I will pay next time.
That sounds like a plan.
The cafe is busy today.
Many people like this place.
Do you come here often?
No, this is my first.
Me too. It is nice.
Our drinks are here now.
The latte art is pretty.
Look at the small heart.
Be careful, it is hot.
I will blow on it.
The muffin is very soft.
My cake is very sweet.
Do you want a bite?
Yes, let us trade pieces.
Here's some blueberry muffin.
Thank you. It tastes great.
The coffee warms my hands.
It is a perfect afternoon.
What do you do, Leo?
I am a school teacher.
Wow, that is a wonderful job.
What do you do, Mia?
I work in a bank.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like math mostly.
I teach history to kids.
How old are the kids?
They are 10 years old.
Are they very loud sometimes?
Yes, they have much energy.
My office is very quiet.
I stand up all day.
I sit at a desk.
Do you work long hours?
Yes, from 9 to 5.
I finish at 3 o'clock.
You have free afternoons then.
Yes, I grade papers then.
Do you have nice co-workers?
Yes, the other teachers help.
My boss is very strict.
That sounds a bit hard.
It is okay. I learn.
Learning is always very good.
How long is your drive?
I drive for 20 minutes.
I take the city train.
Do you read on train?
Yes, I read many books.
I listen to the radio.
Work is a big routine.
Yes, but weekends are fun.
I always wait for Friday.
Friday is the best day.
Do you work this weekend?
No, I am completely free.
That is very lucky, Leo.
Let us talk about fun.
What do you do outside?
I play the acoustic guitar.
That is very cool, Leo.
Do you play any instruments?
No, but I paint pictures.
What do you paint exactly?
I paint flowers and trees.
I want to see them.
I will show you pictures.
Do you like sports too?
I do yoga every morning.
Yoga makes you very calm.
Yes, it helps my stress.
I play tennis on Saturdays.
Are you good at tennis?
I am just okay, Mia.
Do you win your matches?
Sometimes I win against friends.
I like walking in parks.
Nature is very beautiful always.
Do you like photography too?
Yes, I take nature photos.
We should walk together someday.
I would love that idea.
Do you play video games?
Only when it rains outside.
I like reading mystery books.
I read history books mostly.
History fits your teaching job.
Yes, I love old stories.
Hobbies make life very happy.
They give us a break.
Do you collect anything special?
I collect old music records.
Vinyl records sound very warm.
Yes, they are the best.
You have very good hobbies.
Your painting sounds wonderful too.
We have fun lives, right?
Yes, we stay very busy.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love seeing places.
Where did you go last?
I went to the mountains.
Did you hike up high?
Yes, the view was amazing.
I prefer the sunny beach.
Do you like swimming there?
I love swimming and reading.
The beach is very relaxing.
Have you flown on planes?
Yes, I flew to Italy.
Italy is my dream trip.
The food there is perfect.
Did you eat much pizza?
I ate pizza every day.
I want to go there.
You must go next year.
Do you travel very light?
Yes, I bring one bag.
I always pack too much.
Many people pack extra clothes.
I take too many shoes.
I only take walking shoes.
Do you take many photos?
I take hundreds of photos.
Memories are very important, Leo.
Yes, travel changes your mind.
Do you speak other languages?
I speak a little Spanish.
That is very useful there.
Do you speak another language?
I speak French very well.
Paris is a nice city.
I went there last summer.
We both love the world.
Traveling is the best hobby.
Let us travel more often.
Yes, the world is big.
I agree with you completely.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I go every weekend.
What is your favorite genre?
I love fast action movies.
Action movies are very loud.
I like the exciting car chases.
I prefer romantic comedy movies.
They are funny and sweet.
Yes, they make me laugh.
Do you eat popcorn there?
I always buy large popcorn.
Extra butter on the popcorn?
Yes, extra butter is best.
Let us talk about music.
What music do you like?
I love classic rock music.
I listen to pop music.
Pop music makes you dance.
Yes, I listen while cleaning.
Have you been to concerts?
I went to one recently.
Was it a big crowd?
Yes, thousands of people sang.
Live music feels very special.
It gives me good energy.
I play guitar at home.
Play a song for me.
I will practice a song.
Do you use headphones often?
Yes, on the busy bus.
Me too. It blocks noise.
Music makes the day better.
Movies make the night better.
We should see a movie.
That is a great idea.
I will pick the movie.
Pick a funny one, please.
I promise it will be.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I cook every night.
What is your best dish?
I make great spicy pasta.
I love eating spicy food. Can you handle hot peppers?
Yes, I eat them often.
Do you cook well, Mia?
I am a good baker.
What do you bake best?
I bake soft chocolate cookies.
I have a sweet tooth.
I will bake you some.
That makes me very happy.
Have you had cooking disasters?
Once I burned the chicken.
Did the smoke alarm ring?
Yes, it was very loud.
Did you order pizza instead?
Yes, we ate cheese pizza.
Pizza always saves the day.
Do you eat out often?
Only on the busy weekends.
What is your favorite restaurant?
I love the sushi place.
Sushi is very fresh food. Do you like raw fish?
Yes, with lots of soy.
We should eat sushi together.
I know a great spot.
Food brings people together nicely.
Yes, cooking is an art.
Eating is a joy too.
My coffee is almost gone.
My muffin is completely finished.
Did you enjoy the taste?
Yes, it was very fresh.
I am glad you liked.
Do you have a big family?
Yes, I have 3 brothers.
Wow, a house of boys.
It was very loud growing up.
I have one younger sister.
Are you two very close?
Yes, we share everything together.
Do your parents live nearby?
They live in my hometown.
Do you visit them often?
I visit every single month.
Family is very important, Mia.
Yes, I love them much.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What is your cat's name?
Her name is Little Luna.
Does Luna like to play?
She mostly sleeps all day.
I have a big dog.
I love dogs. What breed?
He is a golden retriever.
They are very friendly dogs.
Yes, his name is Max.
Do you walk him daily?
We run in the park.
Does he fetch the ball?
He loves catching yellow tennis balls.
Dogs give so much love.
Cats give good cuddles too.
Maybe Luna will meet Max.
Max loves all small cats.
Family and pets are great.
They make a house home.
I feel comfortable with you.
I feel comfortable with you.
Conversation is very easy today.
Yes, time is flying fast.
We like many same things.
Yes, we both like quiet.
We both enjoy good food.
And we both love animals.
Do you like board games?
I play chess very often.
I love playing word games.
We should play a game.
I am very competitive, Leo.
I am competitive too, Mia.
It will be a battle.
A very fun battle then.
I also like morning walks.
I wake up very early.
I wake up at 6.
We are both early birds.
Mornings are peaceful and fresh.
Do you watch the sunrise?
Sometimes with my hot tea.
I drink coffee outside then.
You are easy to talk to.
You are very kind, Mia.
Do you like comedy shows?
I love laughing at jokes.
I know a comedy club.
We can go there soon.
I would like that much.
You have a nice laugh.
You make me laugh easily.
That is my secret goal.
Well, you're winning today.
I am glad to hear.
It is nice matching energy.
Yes, no awkward silence here.
Only good stories and smiles.
This is a good match.
I am enjoying this date.
I am enjoying it too.
Look at the wall clock.
Wow, 2 hours passed fast.
I should go home soon.
I will get the bill.
Thank you for the coffee.
You are very welcome, Mia.
Let me leave a tip.
The waiter was very nice.
I put cash on table.
Let us walk outside now.
It is getting dark outside.
The streetlights are on.
The air is cooler now.
Where is your parked car?
It is down the block.
I will walk with you.
Thank you. That is sweet.
I had much fun today.
I had a great time.
I want to see you.
I want to see you.
Maybe dinner next week sometime?
Yes, dinner sounds very good.
I will text you tomorrow.
I will wait for it.
Do I have your number?
Yes, we texted this morning.
Right. I will message you.
Here is my small car.
Drive safely home tonight, Mia.
Have a safe drive, Leo.
Have a wonderful good night.
Thank you again for today.
It was my absolute pleasure.
Bye, Leo. See you soon.
Bye, Mia. See you soon.
I am driving away now.
I am waving goodbye now.
It was a perfect date.
Yes, a very perfect date.